fintech companies. Now, these are the companies mostly are in losses, but today we are going to talk about one fintech company which is first listed company in India and it is profitable. And let us understand about the prospect about that company. Today, I'm going to talk about Infibeam Avenue. Yes, this is the stock many of the investors has asked for to review. Question has been asked by Mr. Akshay, Rajendra Mantri, and Muthu Raman. They asked what is the future prospects of Infibeam. Guys, this stock has performed extremely well in last few months, and we are going to talk this small cap stock, what is the future, and also we'll talk about the current status and also what this company is doing. So very exciting video is coming to be there. Stay till then. If you want any stock or any sector to be basically research from our side, we'll do it and let you know. So put it in the comment box. And also guys, if you're not share our video to and also do like and subscribe to our channel. So let us start with the Infibeam Avenue. Now talking about Infibeam Avenue, let me start with the currently stock performance. So how the stock has performed over the time. So if you see Infibeam in last you can say 3 years, the stock has already gone to almost 13 to 14 rupees. But after that, it has jumped. You can see from April 23, that is almost 1 year back, almost 13 rupees was there, 13, which has jumped almost 40 rupees. Three times it has gone in 1 year and now it has gone down. It is around 36.8 rupees. So stock has performed extremely well. Now, before I go forward and we'll talk about the valuation, let us understand what the company is doing. So talking about the company, guys, Infibeam. Now, if you talk about this company, no, it is having a very good fintech structure. So it's a payment system provider. So it has invested across entire payment ecosystem like acquiring issuance, network, and remittance. They have omni-channel offering like digital payment they are offering and software platform also. Again, they have a payment aggregator license. Okay, again, they are having a bill payment license also. Now, still they are going to deploy it, but yes, they got it. Again, payments payment infrastructure partner, 200 plus payment option with a profitable mix, best in class product and high service SLA deliverables. Again, they can basically develop lot many software related to payment ecosystem. Also, guys, if you talk about Infibeam Avenue, it was launched in 2001 as a first online retail payment gateway, CC Avenue. Guys, you must be doing lot of payment, bill payment or any other payment, and you must be getting a name CC Avenue. That is nothing but Infibeam Avenue. Again, they were the first to offer net banking as a payment option. So there are lot many situations they had been first. Again, 2000 first to payment, invoice payment. Again, in 2004, they've gone live with Verify Visa and MasterCard. So you can see across, they brought even in 2013, they the first RuPay debit card transaction was done through CC Avenue. Again, if you talk about currently 2016, they got listed. Again, in 2000, they got RBI license, Bharat Pay operate under it. So Bharat Pay, they are giving and software to Bharat Pay also B2B payment, and they have a most advanced Omni payment app. Talking about other MOUs, they have signed with Gujarat government with the proposed investment of almost 20 billion, that is 2,000 rupees by 2030. Okay, they also have a strategic foray into digital lending. Okay, again, they have acquired 49% stake in Pyramid FinTech. So you guys, they have done lot many things and they are going to do lot many future prospects also. There are lot many have a association and also some acquisition also happening. Again, guys, if you talk about the product mix and all that revenue model, so total transaction processing value, this is TPV. You can see here till financial year 23, it is almost 4.4. Okay, that is trillion, INR trillion, which is going to go by 2025 almost 7.5 trillion. So such a big growth is going to happen. Again, net take rate, that is net earning per transaction BPS is going to, currently it is around 8.4 to 9.3. You can see here, okay, which may sustain in future. Again, there 97% of transactions are through payment gateway and GM platform, 3% only non-transaction base. Okay. Also, if you see, they are going to do lot many collaboration and also they are going to take lot many steps to increase the net take rate. because this is where the profitably goes up. They are going to partner with banks and card networks, increasing international contribution, and again increasing offline presence through tap pay. Again, they are increasing the international footprint in Saudi Arabia, Australia, and USA, that I'm going to show you in detail. But yes, they have already launched CC Avenue in UAE, Saudi, again in various GCC market, and Australia, USA in 2025, and Southeast Asia in 2025. Okay, many other international market also they are going to go. Also, when we talk about what they are doing currently, see, they are for a merchant banker, it is one go destination. They basically they provide a service where they merchant banker can directly tap with the banks. Okay, and with even though they have a high volumes, they don't have to worry about. So they are is focusing on low cost, stable, scalable, sustainable business from merchants and banks, also making the merchant digital payment and platform solely creditable digital transaction, and bank and lending also they are providing. So if you see Infibeam Avenue, that is 10 plus million merchants are already associated. They are giving a payment option through CC Avenue. Again, various platforms like Go Payment, Jam, Geo Platform, Bill Avenue, and Rest Avenue also. Again, in future, they are going to come in express settlement, invoice discounting, and working capital. Also, guys, if you see, they're basically leveraging fintech expertise for global expansion. They are associated with lot many banks for the payment infrastructure, like ICICI Bank, HDFC, JP Morgan, Bank of Muscat, Mashrak Bank, that is in Dubai. Again, in Kotak Mahindra Bank. Okay, again, they are providing a trust avenue through finance assist, disbursement, and all that, even new neo payment network also. They, so you can see they have a very strong network. When we talk with the association of bank and other, you can say other possibilities. Again, what are the clients? Clients are many great clients like Taj, ITC, Digit, Amul, Indigo, Hyundai, Bajaj, Reliance, Airtel, Yatra. So many Paytm, so many are their clients. Even in GCC, Damak, Burj Khalifa, MR, Nakhil, Yahoo, Holiday Inn, Mashrak, Sakud. So many international brands are also associated with Infibeam Avenue. As I told you that they are going to have a good exposure at an international level. They are targeting 12 to 15% international contribution by 2028. So they in GCC, they already started operating in UAE and Oman and Saudi also by quarter 4 24, US and Australia by 25, Southeast Asia and also other geographies by next 3 to 5 years. So basically, they have a very big expansion plan. And also, guys, you can see digital payment is applicable everywhere. And India is one of having one of the most robust digital payment network. UPI is one of the, like you can say, the across the world more than 50 to 60 UPI transaction is happening in India also. And these are this type of fintech companies help to do this type of transaction. Guys, again, if you see the product wise breakup, e-commerce is almost 100%. Sale of software and related ancillary services, again, almost 94% digital payment. That is the breakup, product wise breakup. And also e-commerce related is almost 5.9%. When you talk about operating profit breakup, e-commerce is 55% and payment business is 45%. And again, India is almost 94% of the business, UAE 5.2, and others are appointed. But yes, in future, international business may go up. So this was all about the operations and all that. Now let us talk about this company in detail about how you compare with the valuation and all that. So talking about valuation, guys, you can see here, initially their PE was quite high and slowly and gradually it has gone to much more sustainable PE at 26. So, and you can see the EPS of slowly and gradually going on. Now PE has gone up to almost 74. So when you compare with the peers company, no, now guys understand this is a fintech company, but of course, you cannot directly compared with the IT companies. You can see here it is almost 71 P ratio. Okay. And but if you see the ROE, ROC is around 4 and 5. And guys understand that all these fintech companies will take time to recover money and all that. But the scope of business is quite huge, quite huge. If you see the sales growth, if you see the sales growth which they are having, almost 84% growth in this year. Last 3 years, it is 45%, and profit growth is modest 7.43% only. And if you take other ratios are okay, not so great like when you compare with the IT companies, but they have good enough ratios to justify they are profitable in nature. So when we talk other things like, how much is the sales growth in last 10 years, it is almost 29%, and this year it is almost 84%. 3 years, it is 46%. Compounded profit growth is almost 15%. However, stock price CAGR in last 1 year is almost 160%, and in last 5 years, it is almost up by 30%. Of course, the growth is very good in last 3 years, 4 years also. And when we talk about the valuation, as I told you, the profitability is okay. When we see the quarterly result also, no guys, you can see here a stable profitability is there, but slowly and gradually it is going up. December was 41, which was one of the highest, and which was having the one of the highest revenue also. Correct. So that is what you have to think about. And also, if you talk about year to year, they are increasing. Now, TTM, that is last trailing month, is almost 3,000 crore rupees, and profit is also going up against the last year. So this company is in a growth path. Now you may ask a question, then what to do? Shall we buy this stock or not? And it is a small cap stock and all that, whether it will give us a good type of no profitability from here also or not. See, scope is good, very good. Yes, but at a 70p and all that, no, this stock looks expensive. But you can say that if the growth normally follow the, no, if your growth is there and the profit follows the growth at the end of that. So growth is there, and if you are they are able to keep the expenses under check, and if the basically they are able to expand across the territory the way I have shown you how they want to go across the territory, then there is a very good chance this company will do well. Okay, it's a small cap stock, so things are much future is much brighter. Only the valuation part you have to think about it. But I think if you are a long term investor, no, you can think about this stock, because I think if the same growth rate goes on, I think there will be a good upside from here also. Yes, the stock has become triple in last few years, in last 1 year only. But yes, that is the only point you have to keep in mind. Also, guys, suppose you hold a stock like as many of investors, please stay invested in the stock. I don't think there is a point to worry unless there's a good growth is going down, then it's a different thing. But I think the growth will look robust, and they have a very good infrastructure also. And as a new investor, just think of it. If you're a long term, you can think, but at the deep also you can buy. Currently, all the small cap stocks are falling a lot. The reason is no, RBI told now that RBI more than RBI, SEBI told them to be careful in the small cap stock and SME stocks. So some stocks are falling, but yes, in this deep, no, you can take advantage also if you want. So this is just for an educational purpose, guys. Before investing, you do have to do analyze from your side. Okay, so do analyze, then only invest. But yes, this is what I thought about this stock and I wanted to convey you. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, do like it, share it to other members also. And also, guys, do subscribe to our channel. And if you want anything to be analyzed from our side, put it in the comment box. We'll try to cover next time. So I'll see you soon in the next video. Okay then, bye bye.